I'm sorry?
That's what's happened. You know that, right?
Do it.
Look, how many police officers? 1, 2, 3. How many police officers out here? Huh? 3? 4, 5?
2. A veteran.
Yeah. And 4 park rangers. How much?
Veterans.
No, we're not all veterans. No, not everybody's veterans.
No, I'm not saying. I said
Yeah.
you as well.
You know? I'm gonna put my wetsuit in my van. Is that all right? In the front seat. I'm not. I'm just filming. I'm filming. I just want to get a clearer view. Why can't you let me film?